Good morning once again, my dear students. So as explained in the previous class, pro forma of revaluation account and the journal entries related to it. Now let us take an example, illustration number 49, and see how the revaluation of assets and liabilities would reflect in the journal entries. You see, stock is undervalued by 10%, book value is 54,000. Stock is undervalued by 10%, book value of stock is 54,000. So if a stock is undervalued, it means our asset is undervalued. Undervalued means our stock or asset is shown at a lower price. It is shown at a lower price means its price is much higher than what is actually appearing in the book. So 10% of 54,000, 10% of 54,000, that is to say stock is shown at a value less than the actual value. Actual value से 10% कम undervalued है. इसका मतलब 54,000 is 90% of something. 54,000 is 90% of something because 10% it is less. So how it is calculated? You can see here actual value of stock will be 54,000 into 100 upon 90. That is to say 60,000. Actual value of stock is 60,000, but it is shown how much? 54,000. Therefore 6,000 is our profit. 6,000 is our profit. So in the revaluation account we will credit stock. So journal entry would be stock account debit to revaluation account. And when stock is overvalued by 10%, it means it would be a loss to us. हमने स्टॉक को जो है ज़्यादा शो कर रखा है. बुक वैल्यू इज ओनली 66,000. वी हैव शोन इट मोर 10% मोर. इट मीन्स वी आर शोइंग इट एट 10% मोर. नाउ द 100% would be 66,000 into 100 upon 110. In more we would add it percentage, and in undervalued we will subtract it like this. So it is how much? 60,000. Here 6,000 rupees will be shown on the debit side of revaluation account. Revaluation account debit to stock 6,000. Value of land and building. Value of land and building to be increased to 5 lakh. Book value कितनी है उसकी? 4 lakh. अब उसकी बढ़ के वैल्यू कितनी होनी है? 5 lakh. इसका मतलब हमें क्या होगा? फायदा कितने का? 1 lakh rupees. It will be shown on the credit side. Land and building account debit to revaluation account. Land and building account debit to revaluation account 1 lakh rupees. I would take another example where it would become more clear to you how the entries are transferred to revaluation account, how the effect of increase and decrease in the value of assets. We have to write the change in the value of asset or liability. Change in the value. कितना चेंज आया है उनमें पहले के मुकाबले अब तक. वी हैव टू राइट दैट चेंज इन द वैल्यू, चेंज इन द रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज द क्वेश्चन हियर. दिस इज द बैलेंस शीट. यू कैन सी हियर creditors are given 65,900. you can see here assets are given, debtors 9,700, stock 20,000, plant and machinery this, and building is this. So these are our assets. This is our liability. Let us see what changes are given in the adjustments. In adjustment number 2, here value of stock and plant and machinery were to be reduced by 10%. Value of stock and plant and machinery were to be reduced by 10%. इसका मतलब assets की वैल्यू क्या हो रही है? कम हो रही है. तो स्टॉक एंड प्लांट एंड मशीनरी की जो वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है बैलेंस शीट में, उसका 10% निकाल के रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में हमने लिख दिया, बिकॉज दे आर शोइंग अस अ डिक्रीज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ असेट्स, मींस टू से द लॉस. दूसरा है आपका प्रोविजन ऑफ 5% वाज टू बी क्रिएटेड फॉर डाउटफुल डेप्ट. प्रोविजन फॉर 5% इज टू बी क्रिएटेड फॉर डाउटफुल डेप्ट. हमें एक प्रोविजन क्रिएट करना है डाउटफुल डेप्ट मतलब डेटर्स पे. डेटर्स हैं हमारे 9,700. इस पे 5% हमने प्रोविजन क्रिएट किया, वो आ गया 485. That is also our loss, because we are going to create a provision for it, which is our liability, which is increasing. Liability is increasing, it means it is also our loss. Then building account was to be appreciated by 20%. बिल्डिंग की वैल्यू 20% बढ़ेगी, इट मीन्स इट इज अ प्रॉफिट, ये आ गया यहाँ पर. और उसी तरीके से इन्वेस्टमेंट्स जो है आपकी 1400 बढ़ रही हैं. इसमें लिखा है इन्वेस्टमेंट वर्थ रुपीज 1400. इन्वेस्टमेंट वर्थ रुपीज 1400 वर नॉट सोन इन द बैलेंस शीट अर्लियर. अनरिकॉर्डेड असेट है ये. इट इज टू बी टेकन इन टू अकाउंट. इट इज टू बी सोन ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. उसके बाद हमने ये टोटल किया 11,400. इधर पर टोटल आपका ये है, उसमें से माइनस किया 11,400 में से. द बैलेंसिंग फिगर इज 5,415. इट मीन्स 5,415 का हमको क्या हुआ है, प्रॉफिट. दिस 5,415 इज डिवाइडेड इन द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स अनुराग एंड भावना in their old ratio. The old ratio of Anurag and Bhavna is given in the question here, 2:1. 2:1. So the profit 5,415 is divided between Anurag and Bhavna in 2:1. So this way you can go through the adjustment, find what is the increase and decrease in the value of asset and liabilities, and prepare revaluation account and find out profit or loss arising due to change in the value of assets and liabilities. Thank you. God bless all of you.